So, what's the buzz about Sway? Well, you need to know it's entirely web-based, which means it's amazing for integrating online content in any of your presentations that you want to do. The best way to describe it? Think about it as the hip, cool cousin of PowerPoint. There's a mobile app, it's collaborative, you can share, and it's awesome for anything with image-heavy content. So, let's show you how to use it. You need to go to your Microsoft Office home. It'll bring up all your apps, and you'll find that there's Sway. There it is. I use Sway all the time, so mine might look a little bit different to yours, but if you click on it, straight away we're into the Sways. If you've never done one before, you're going to have to create one to see this extra stuff down here. You can do a new one. You can start from a document, which means you can convert one of your boring PowerPoints to an awesome Sway. You'll find that it has analytics as well. I love analytics because it shows you how many people are looking at it, and it breaks it into some interesting information, which can be quite affronting as a teacher if you think your class has been using it. Now, there's lots of different ways to use Sway. School use them for notices, you can use them for presentation, and I've also started using it as a sort of online textbook. So here you go. This is my Commedia dell'arte work that I'm using with my Year 12s. So straight off, I've got lots of imagery in there. And I like its linear way of working because then students can work through them. What it does is it links to assessment statements, which takes them straight to NZQA. You can also keep them moving through, and we can work with deadlines. And this one takes them to a Word document, which has all their information that they need to know for their deadlines. This is all really useful stuff for the kids to hold on to. Also, I can link to anything that's on YouTube, and it will play straight in the Sway, which is great for students who have been away or have forgotten about what we were doing in class. It's also rewindable learning, which is really useful. And I love the ability to put in audio. So I record myself in class. You can simply replay it. Commedia is such an original and really authentic form of comedy that for me, that's really quite confronting to hear my voice. But you know what? It's great if students miss the class. We can also take them to web pages, or they can do online work together. And these are some incredible links to their OneNotes, and also for them to work as a collaborative team. We can also take them to any planning documents, and this one takes them to a document that they can actually work on themselves, where my students nominated which character they were doing and what base of mask they needed me to buy for them. So it keeps everything in a really useful place. I use Flipgrid with my students as well, but I won't cover that today. And then it allows them to do some plan work. Lots of stuff going on there, and lots of different imagery, which is quite exciting for the students to work with and have with them at all times. So it takes them through different work. I love Sway, and in the next coming tutorials, I'm going to show you how to use it and make it work for you.